What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. And today I'm not going to be working on the 86, but what we're going to do is actually work on this space right here and trying to make it a better workplace. And so as you can see, the lighting is not too great. This side is pretty dark, so what I'm going to do is try to get some lights, and then we're going to go ahead and hang it up here so that we can get some better lighting. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. So I went to Home Depot and I got these LED lights right here. It's only 1800 lumens, so I don't know how bright that's gonna be. Hopefully it's bright enough, but I bought two for now. These you could actually connect them and make more, so I feel like if I need more lighting, I'll just buy two more and it might be okay. They're only 4 feet because the patio is not too big, but the plan right now is to do one in the front of the car, one in the back. So let me actually test this out to see if it's bright, and then I'll go ahead and mount it up and everything, and then we'll actually have some better lighting. So let me open the box. Let's see what we got here. This. Okay, got the wiring out, and let's go ahead and test it out. All right. Oh, that's pretty bright. It's actually really good. So I think that should be okay. And I have two of them, so I'll probably hook one up to the front and to the back like I said, and then we'll see how it looks like after it's in. And then I want to put like a privacy screen on this side of my patio just because I have neighbors there and I just kind of want like a little more privacy. This side is pretty blocked by the house, so it's okay, but this side I'm not sure what I want to do, but maybe I'll just use my rack that I'm gonna put here and just kind of block this area, have all my car parts just kind of hide me, so that when I work on my car I have a little bit more privacy. But let's go ahead and put this on, and I'm just gonna install it real quick and I'll show you guys once it's up. So I just finished the lighting and blocked off the corner of my patio, and it looks so good right now. So let me go ahead and show you guys. The lighting is perfect, and here it is. Alright, the lights are finally in, and look at the lighting, it's so much better. The only thing that I think I should do is put one more light right here, and I'm thinking of putting it up here in this area right here, just so that I can have lighting right here, because I can't really see anything on this side, even though it's not too bad. But if I want to do like welding or cutting and stuff, I just want real good lighting for it, for when I do it. And I'm super happy about this though. It started to feel a little better. Still pretty chilly tonight, but I mean, winters in California aren't as bad as everywhere else, so I can't really complain. And here's the lighting outside the patio, and it looks so good. Look at this. I love this view. I could just stare at this for a very long time. I love this setting right here. I kind of wish I had all the cars under here, because that would be pretty cool too if I had all the cars right here. But some of the places like this isn't just not practical, because I have like the water hose here. The other side there is, I could probably fit one more on this side, but it is kind of blocking that door. But might not be too bad. But yeah, I finally have a good working space, and I'm very happy about that. So we got the beautiful cars in the garage, and I don't want to take those out like I said already. But yeah, really happy about this. And as you guys can see, I move some of the engines on the other side right there because it's better there. And I'm gonna use this spot right here to store all of my junk. So I'm gonna be stripping the whole car and not doing a full restore, but restoring what I need to at the meantime. And getting parts for the engine swap is gonna take a little bit, guys. So what I'm gonna do is actually work on the car so that everything just kind of comes together, and I could put the swap in at the same time of restoring most of this car. So like I said, I'm not painting the inside, I'm not gonna do any of that, but I am gonna repaint the door jambs and all of that. Gonna have to prep this whole car for paint as well, so that's gonna take a lot of time and a lot of work. We might have to actually do some other stuff for the 86. So yeah, I'll save those plans for later in the future. But let's get things rolling. Let me get this rack right here so I could put all the stuff out. And I'm gonna try to strip as much as I can today, and then just kind of show you guys that. So see you guys in a second. Alright, finally got everything kind of cleaned out, but I did clean out my 86, so really happy about that. It hasn't been empty in so long, and finally got to see the interior again. This interior is pretty beat up and dirty, but we'll see what we could do with it. You see all this is kind of messed up. The tops up there are kind of beat up too. This interior is really rough, but you work with what you get now, since 86 parts are so expensive and hard to find. I might try to reupholster this myself, and if I can't, then maybe I'll take it to a shop to get it done, which will probably be really expensive though. So I'll see if I could do it myself. But kind of want to do a color change, so maybe either black with like red seats, and try to do a little bit, and try to do as much red as I can with just black as well, because I do really want red interior with the white. I think that would look really nice, kind of keep up with like the Honda theme, and the 86 actually came like that as well. So really so we'll see what I do with this interior. I do want to flock a dash too, so might be doing that, but I don't know, we'll see. But everything is here for the most part. This is just all of the stuff that's on the car. All of the good parts are in storage and locked away. This stuff is just out here. I don't really like leaving it out here, but it's better than just being outside in the field anyway. So this is good. At least it's all organized now, and it's nice and clean. And look at the lighting in here, it's so good right now. I really love this lighting. It's like I'm in a garage now. So hope you guys enjoy this lighting too. Can't wait to start working on this car. Now I'm really excited with this great lighting and the privacy there. It's gonna be amazing. So yeah, I can't wait to start doing this. And this video might be kind of short, but I didn't want to talk too much because I end up talking too much all the time in my videos, and I think you guys are kind of bored of that. So this video, I just want to make it short and sweet. And I don't know, it'll probably still be kind of long anyways, but hope you guys enjoyed the new shop that I have. Kind of, we'll call it the patio shop. And I'm just super excited, guys. I can't wait to start this project. I know it might take a while. I am still going to be working on all of the other cars as I go, but this one's going to be the one where this one's going to be the main focus for right now for this year. And my coupe, I am going to be finishing the exterior at least, and once I'm done with that, I might just kind of put it onto the side and do little things as I go. But I'm going to focus all of my time on the A86 hatch, and hopefully we can get it done by, I don't know, maybe summertime. We'll just see. It's all going to be kind of budget, so hopefully I could just fund everything. And I want to get legit parts for this car, so that's going to be that's going to take a little time because it's going to be a little pricier for that. But yeah, hope you guys like this video, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 600 subscribers, so thank you guys so much. And hopefully we'll get to 1,000 real soon, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm probably gonna be stripping the whole car down pretty much to bare bones so that we could get the project going, and then just kind of go from there. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. It's gonna be exciting, and I'll see you guys next time. Later. Peace.